Hello, this is Dan Love from the North American SAP Business One Solution Expert Team. This is the last in a series of videos on the new SAP Business One mobile service app. And in this video, I'm going to cover some very simple configuration in the iPhone application itself. As you can see in front of me, here's my iPhone and the service app is on my desktop. I'm going to click the mobile service app and up pops the main sign-in menu. Before I log in, I'm going to go to the settings menu. And here we have a couple of choices. We have the ability to use this app in a demo system, meaning you do not have to have the app configured and to work with your own SAP Business One HANA server demo system. And if you select that, which I'll come back to in a second, you'll be able to connect to a server in Germany and use the app in a demonstration mode. The only limitations is you will not be able to save data from the app. You'll be able to perform all the functions, but when it comes to updating a ticket or saving an image as an attachment or changing something on the service call, you'll get a warning message that you're not able to do so. So I'm going to connect to my own server, and in my case, since I'm not connecting to the demo system, there are two pieces of information that I need to do this. One is the publicly available web server address, which in my case is https://182.04.189.70. That is my external address for my Business One HANA Linux server, and the port that I need to give it is 40,000. If you know anything about Business One HANA and the system lifecycle directory, or SLD, that 40,000 is the port for the SLD control center. So those are the basic configurations that you need. You need a web server address that is publicly available and the port number, which by default is 40,000. I'm going to go ahead and save those things. One of the ways that you know that you're connecting to your HANA server is that list of demo companies. In my case, when I expand that, I can see a list of all of my demo companies that I've defined in that HANA demo server. So this is a good indication that you've made the proper connection to the SLD and that you've got the right URL and you've got the right port. Now, the other thing I need is a valid user ID, in this case, Tom Silva. So in Business One, I've defined T Silva as a Business One user, and I've given them a valid password as well as assigned them a license. In this case, I have defined Tom Silva with a limited service license. Just to prove that everything is working, I'm going to sign in using my password and go ahead and click Login. And when I get to the home screen, which is the tickets and the KPIs, I know I've successfully logged in. One of the last couple things I want to show you is how to log out, and using the configurations icon up at the top, hit that, and I now have access logout. I'm going to go ahead and click logout. So I'm back to the login screen. I do want to show you how to connect to the demo system, so I'm going to go ahead and hit settings again, and this time rather than use my connection to my HANA server, I'm going to go ahead and turn on the demo systems, and at this point in time there's only one server available, and that's in Germany. So I'll go ahead and click that as the only option, and from now on I will be connecting, once I save this, to the demo server. I can tell that I'm logged in the demo server because I've got a new user ID called B1 app and my password is already filled out. Go ahead and click log in. So when I log in, I will see the main page, which is the tickets and the KPI page. And again, this behaves just like the application you've seen in the rest of my videos. Just one warning that it is a demonstration system, so you will not be allowed to save anything. For example, if I go into this ticket here and try to edit the start and end time, just make a change, click done. Do you want to save? Yes. This is the error message that you're going to get anytime you try to save anything in this demonstration system. So with that, I'd like to thank you very much, and that is the configuration of the new SAP Business One mobile app from the iPhone perspective.